usually, di ba, ang vital signs natin consist of the pulse rate, the respiratory rate, the temperature, and the blood pressure. Pero dinagdag ang pain because it tells us a lot about what the patient is feeling and experiencing. And pain is actually subjective, meaning walang makakapagsabi kung gaano kasakit ito, kundi ang patient lamang. In surgery nursing, expected talaga ang pain after operation. Mayroong sugat, may tissue damage, and also may inflammation. So normal lang na may masakit sa patient. But here's the thing, kapag hindi na-manage ng maayos ang pain, pwedeng tumaas ang BP, yung pulse rate, and also mahirapan huminga ang patient, and also ayaw gumalaw ng patient. And that can actually slow down healing. Nurses, hindi lang tayo basta nagtatanong ng may masakit po ba sa inyo? Because we use pain scales like the 0 to 10 scale, which means 0 means no pain, and 10 means the worst pain ever. And then we also use the Wong-Baker-Faces scale, lalo na sa mga kids or patient na hirap mag-explain. That is why this is very important sa pain management. And fun fact, pain is not just about medication. So as nurses, we also help by the proper positioning, encouraging deep breathing, providing comfort and reassurance, and also helping the patient move barely if allowed. So these are small things that are considered big help para sa pain and recovery ng patient. So here's the trivia. Patient with controlled pain recover faster and have fewer complications after surgery. That is why pain control is not just for comfort, it is also part of quality nursing care. So next time you hear a patient say